National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for eastern Carroll County in north-central Mississippi, Webster County in north-central Mississippi, Montgomery County in north-central Mississippi, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Black Hawk, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Vaden around 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Winona around 9:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Kilmickle around 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lodi and Sweetland around 9:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Embry around 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Upera and Bellefontaine around 10:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Wausau. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter.